Hi, I'm going to show how you can record yourself straight from the editor. First, you click on Add a new discussion topic and you have to write a title for your topic. You can write recording from the editor. You can write some text here. Okay. My recordings. You can select your text and you can edit it using these buttons on the editor. You can make it bold, italic, select a background color and select color for the text. You can make it bigger. You can insert a hyperlink. You can also insert Word document, picture, and what we want to do is record our voice. So I'm going to click in a new row and I'll use this to record audio. By clicking on it, start recording. Hello, I'm recording myself directly from the editor and you see it's only up to 2 minutes. So I'll stop recording and attach it. Okay. You can also record your video using this tool, but if you want to make longer recordings, you should click on this arrow here and you see other buttons. These are called Moodle, and I will record my voice again using this button, record audio in the Moodle. Okay, start by clicking on record. Hello, this is my voice and I'm recording straight from the editor in Moodle using the Moodle button. Okay, I stopped. You can hear it play. Hello, this is my voice and I'm recording straight from the editor in Moodle using the Moodle button. Now you should upload it and wait for it to be 100% and upload it successfully and click insert. Okay, and next I want to make a video. I will also use Moodle button record video. Okay. To start recording, I click on the record button. Hi, this is my video and I'm recording straight from the editor using the Moodle record button. Okay, you can watch it. Hi, this is my video and I'm recording straight from the editor using the Moodle record button. Then upload it and wait for it to be 100% and upload it successfully and insert it. And so here it is, and at the end don't forget to click on the post to phone and wait for it to be posted. Thank you.